Hi, Miss Melanie. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, sir. Good morning. My name is Melanie Effie. I am 30 years old, currently living now in General Santos City, Mindanao, Philippines, and I am married.
Do you have kids?
Yes, sir. I have one son named Javis, and he is 7 years old.
Who will take care of your child if you come to Hong Kong?
My mother, sir.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 10 siblings, 6 brothers, 4 sisters, and I am the youngest of the family.
Tell me about your educational background.
I completely graduated, sir, Bachelor of Science in Social Work, 4 years.
Do you have overseas experience?
No, sir, but here in the Philippines, I have experience from January 2020 to January 2023. I worked at a couple employer, have one son. I did in a house, all around house chores like cleaning, ironing, mapping, and marketing, and especially to take care of their child.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
How would you describe yourself?
I am the person who is honest, loyal, and responsibility.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, sir.
Why do you want to go abroad?
To earn money, sir, to support my family, especially my son.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Could you sing me a nursery song?
Yes, sir. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels of the bus go round and round all through town.
Are you scared of cat or dogs?
No, I'm not, sir.
Give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I can speak about them, sir, in a calm voice.
Say something to your future employer to hire you.
To my future employer, if you are gonna hire me, I can promise to you to finish my contract. If extended needed, I will do it, and I will treat you like my own family. And to learn more about speaking Cantonese and to learn more about your food, how to cook. Thank you and God bless.